This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bohnslav. Large single-family home in a great neighborhood. Nice big house with a great floor plan, beautiful yard with both a deck and paver patio, 2-car garage, matching storage shed, sunroom with hot tub, lots of windows make it a nice bright place, and oversized rooms give you plenty of room to stretch out. Vacant so we can get you moved in quickly. Please follow all CDC COVID precautions. Thanks, and please call Ed to schedule a showing of this wonderful home. For more information, review the details below.